Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Thursday, the 16th of January, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Hope it's been a good trading day for you. It's been an interesting one, that's for sure. Keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something that you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. Okay, so I want to start off first with the trades from yesterday, and we only had one that actually worked out, and that was APD. I already have it open right here. So we opened up just a little bit from where we were, and we ran up. And if we look at the 5-minute chart, we never got an opportunity for a bullish entry. We just gapped up and ran, pulled back, dropped through. But then we came back, and this fib line is at 307.41. We closed on this candle at 307.12, so 29 cents away. Pretty good. We stretched up a little bit higher. We got to a high on this one of 307.22 versus 41, so 19 cents away, and we failed. So all within this fell swoop is where we were able to enter into that trade. And then we were out before we got to that 300 level. We actually got out at 301. So here's the notes on it on APD. Bearish trade, get in at 306.5, get out at 301. 396 is the winning trade on this one. 15,921.24 since June 25th of 24. 57 winners, 12 went against us, 3 break even. It gives us an average of $221.13 per trade on average for the 72 trades that were taken, which is these 3 columns right there. All right, so from that, we're going to look at today's candidates. We're going to start off with SPY. All right, so let's go there first. And what a day, what a day, what a day. I called for this yesterday, asking, begging, pleading with the markets of I need to get a close above the 21 moving average, above that fib line. We did it today. We're still not bullish. This could just be a lower swing high here, but we are in a bullish bias right now. Not true bull, but we are bullish, right? So we are ready to start taking on small entries onto bullish trades. All right, so with that, let's go look at our candidates in alphabetical order, please. The very first one is, let's get the full view there, but that is on ALNY. I like the overall fib move that we made in there. Very nice. I like where we are at this point, right? So I'm going to bring this in a little bit as far as zooming goes. And let's see. Preference here. I don't really have a preference either way on this, but we are in a bullish pattern. So I would like to see this break to the upside, retest, and bounce. And if it does that, we're going to take the entry, off of the bounce. Stop's going to be down below support. If resistance is at 266.5, my target's going to be right about 265, give or take. Right, for the downside, I actually may like downside better. Push up to the 250, 287. Doesn't have to hit it. Get in the area and fail. Right, and we're going to use the moving averages as our support. 243 and 2/4, and then 2/4. Listen to me, it's like I'm talking about wood thickness. 4/4, 8/4. 243.79, 243.75, we'll call it close enough, is our support level right now. So what does that mean as far as target is going to be up at 245. So I don't have as much room to the downside, right? You're going to take the trade off of the bounce and you stop just on the other side of support, right? VST, that was one from today, right? That was one of the candidates as potential for today. It just did not work out for us. We gapped up on VST today and then failed. So we got nowhere near anything today, okay? So what are we looking at here? Well, actually, let's unscrunch that for a second. Let's bring it in. So ideally, I like this one better to the downside. So what does that mean for us? Small move up, retest at 171, fail 163 is support. My target in this scenario is going to be probably about 164.25. 164.75, somewhere in that range. My stop just on the other side. I'm not scrunched down enough to leave it all on one page. Sorry about that. But we do not need a fib in here. This has already been checked, so we are good to go. So what am I looking at here? Move up, retest, and bounce. We're going to take the trade off of the bounce. Stop just down below support. If resistance is 187.73, my target's going to be about 186. 185.5, 186.5, somewhere in that area is where we're going to look for. All right, then last and certainly not least is WDAY. Now, this was a stock that had been in my power options plays training for years, for a very long time. We've recently removed it. We weren't getting as much movement on it as we liked on a regular basis. It still gives me an opportunity to go both directions. I do like the downside better because that is more the direction we're headed in now. So give me ideally a small move down, a retest, and a fail. Ultimately, I want to do the retest, right? Take the trade as it bounces off the 249.42, stops on the other side somewhere. If support is at 241, my target's going to be about 242. 242 and a half, somewhere around there. The upside trade, we're going to lock this in at the moving average at that 257.60 level. So small move up, retest and bounce. Resistance is at 257 and a half. That puts my target at about 256. 255 and a half, somewhere around there. I got a lot of room in here, so I'm okay with that. I don't need to get it all. I'll be very fat, dumb, and happy picking up just a $5 or $6 move there. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, for today, 3 candidates. That's our standard, right? I have 19 candidates overall today. You're getting 3. If you want to get access to the other of the 19, so the other 16 more, all you need to do is go to tradinglikeaboss.com. There'll be a link down below. Go ahead and register. It's free. And what will happen is we'll send you an email that says, hey, the video is done. Go ahead and check it out. And by the way, here is all of the candidates for today. And then you go check them out and see maybe there's some others that fit your risk as well. All right, have a great rest of your day. See you at our next one. Bye for now.